Office in Indianapolis. The preceding signal was a test of the public. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KEC74. At 11 a.m. at Indianapolis, it was cloudy. The temperature was 44 degrees, the dew point 26, and the relative humidity 49%. The wind was south at 9 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.17 inches and rising. Around central Indiana, at Anderson, it was sunny with a temperature of 45. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 47 at Muncie, 44 at Eagle Creek Airport, and 44 at Shelbyville. Elsewhere across Indiana, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 47